Welcome to the Pucks family, and today we are gonna cover my slime and I'm commentated. I'm just gonna open it. It already got opened. Put my slime out for it.
Does that slime make noises?
Yeah.
Why don't you show everybody what noises it makes?
Do it. Wait, that's not it. Do it. Open and then wait. That's not it.
Was that you?
No, that was the slime.
Yeah, right. That was you, wasn't it?
Yeah, wait. That was mommy.
That was mommy. Uh-oh. Mommy wouldn't be too happy about that.
No. So I understand it twisted out.
So that is called Flarp. It makes funny noises when you stick it back in the container. So what are we going to do today, Morgan?
Cover it.
Okay.
So I need to cover them. I'm gonna do eeny, meeny, miny, mo.
Okay.
Part 1. And that's that. I kind of cut it up. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Which one am I gonna do? You are not it. The bound's not it. The one that needs to be it. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. You are it. Oh, I didn't want the back. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. You are it.
So the blue is the winner?
Yeah, well, blue.
Winner, winner, chicken dinner.
Yeah, it's so much fun.
Alrighty.
That's it, it's permanent too. That's the big white chicken dinner. And then I'm gonna add some orange. Yellow. Down below and make the pucks. I'm already to the store and I'm trying to that's dipping in there.
So what are we gonna do? Like mix that all together? I hope it doesn't get all over your hands.
Yes.
Hey everybody, if you like the video, hit like below and subscribe to the Funks channel. And we'll show you some more good videos. Put it all together now.
It's harder to do with my hands. Oh, I can see the blue in it.
Let me see. Oh yeah. Make sure you mix all the colors together. You're gonna highlight it now?
Highlight it.
Here, we gotta start mixing it all together.
Yeah.
Let's check out your hands. Oh, they're not even turning blue yet from all the blue marker. Yeah, it is a permanent marker, so hopefully it doesn't permanently get on your hands.
Yeah. You know we have to pay it. I already opened the highlighter, so I am gonna forget to ask to pay with. Yeah, to pay with the gold.
Oh, before you do this, you have to ask your parents.
Yeah, I did.
Make sure it's okay. Oops.
I just wanted to do it. Because I'm like 5 years old. In kindergarten.
Oh yeah, what did you do this week? You started school, you started kindergarten.
Yeah.
And how was school?
Good. The first day was so good.
Yeah? Do you love going to school?
Yeah. Put that cap back on. It's kinda make it up now. I hope it really won't get a great cover. put that in back. Oh my god, there's a highway.
Keep mixing it all together.
Uh-huh. More highway. Yeah. Let's get this one. Then, to that, just need to mix the nature. Wow. I don't know if this was gonna be so good. Let's make it green now. Maybe it's in the cover.
Ooh, why don't you put some purple?
Yeah, purple.
That would be cool. No, that's blue. Put purple.
No, that's gonna make brown.
Okay.
Or maybe like
Well, if purple's gonna make brown and you just put brown, you might as well put purple, right?
no. Actually, yeah. But let's do every single color.
Yeah, why not?
I know, that's gonna be so good. Get to the color party here. Yeah. Every single color. Do it to me. Purple, the pretty purple. Purple. Turning so pretty. And that's how to mix it. Oh, that's a ton of yucky color. That's kind of.
What you should do is spread it out.
Yeah. Yeah. I'm gonna break it apart.
Uh-oh, broken in half now.
And there. Do that. Got that pretty
That's a good idea.
mix. Mix that. Dynamic cold. Happy face.
Show everybody your happy face.
I really did.
Oh, that's okay.
Very good.
At least you know there is a happy face somewhere in the Flarp. Slimy Flarp.
I'm the happy face.
Coloring and painting is your favorite hobbies, aren't they? What was that?
I'm putting paint in my mouth.
Oh, well, you have to be careful. Make sure you don't stick the wrong end of the marker in your mouth.
Yeah, one day
Else you'll have a purple mouth.
one day I actually did that.
You did?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
And then
what happened?
I got my toothbrush and put it in front of my teeth.
So you should tell all the kiddos and everybody at home that you don't stick the wrong end of the marker in your mouth.
Yeah, I did.
Okay.
No, I actually didn't turn it around, but I actually did it. Like crazy. Oh my god, it's turning out.
So let's see, what color is it turning? Oh, cool. Looks like a marble. It's a mix of a bunch of different colors.
Okay, I better just mix this one.
Yeah. Keep squishing it together.
Touchy. Oh my god, guys.
Uh-oh, what is that?
A cover
Cool.
with it. Look it. Guys, it's so beautiful. And it's like a color with it. You know what? If we add some highlighter, go with it. Bye.